Good day, everyone. In this video, I'll be doing question 3A of the May 2024 Add Maths Paper 2 exam. And the question is, determine the points of intersection of the circle x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 6y plus 8 equals 0. And the line y equals x minus 6. Alright, so we have a linear equation and a non-linear equation. We're going to solve this simultaneously by using substitution method. Right? Only substitution method will work in this case. Right. On observation, the second equation, the linear equation, already has y as the subject. Right? Y is equal to x minus 6. So I could actually substitute that into the place of the y in the first equation. So y is in two places. So the first substitution will look like x minus 6 in brackets squared. And the second one, it'll be 6 open brackets, x minus 6, as I have here. X minus 6 squared is x minus 6 by x minus 6. And this part, let's expand this one time. 6 by x is 6x. 6 by negative 6 gives negative 36. That's this here. Okay, and then we will expand this part. X by x is x squared. X by negative 6 gives negative 6. Negative 6 by x, also negative 6. Negative 6 by negative 6 gives positive 36. Alright, so that there's our expansion. Okay, so it's just simplify now. We look for the like terms. These two are like terms. They'll add up to make 2x squared. These two are like terms. We have another x term over here. Alright, so negative 6x minus 6x gives negative 12x. Plus 2x gives negative 10x. That's this. And in numbers we have 36 minus 28, that's positive 8. And yeah, so we end up with a quadratic equation. We could simplify this further by dividing all three terms by 2. Right? So 2 into 2x squared gives x squared. 2 into negative 10x gives negative 5x. 2 into 8 is 4. And this 2, if you move it over, as I've done here, and you divide by it, you'll see that it basically disappears, right? So we end up with a 0. Right, so that's our simplified quadratic equation, which we could then factorize. Factorizing, we're going to get x minus 1 by x minus 4. Right, now these two sets of terms in brackets are being multiplied to make 0, so it means one of them has to be a 0. So when x minus 1 is 0, x has to be positive 1. And when x minus 4 is 0, x has to be positive 4. And to get the y values that match with these, we could substitute them, each of them, into the easier of the two equations is always the linear one. So the value of y would be the x value, which is 1 in the first instance. 1 minus 6, that's negative 5. And in the second case, we have x is 4, so y would be 4 minus 6, which is negative 2. Alright, so the values that I have there in yellow go together, the x and y. So 1, negative 5, and then the other one, 4, negative 2. So yeah, so those are points of intersection, which they had asked, right? So yeah, that's what they asked, determine the points of intersection. Okay, and for reference, I also used the graphing calculator just to verify that those are indeed the points of intersection, right? So there's the circle and the straight line, and the points of intersection being 1, negative 5, and 4, negative 2. Okay, everyone, that's it. Thank you for watching. Take care for now. Bye.